Welcome to the biography of Mustafizur Rahman, the talented Bangladeshi cricketer who has made a name for himself on the international stage. Born on September 6, 1995, in Satkhera, Bangladesh, Mustafizur's journey to becoming a professional cricketer is nothing short of inspiring. From a young age, Mustafizur showed a keen interest in cricket and honed his skills playing for his local club in Satkhera. His father, Abul Qasim Ghatsi, a passionate cricket enthusiast, played a significant role in his son's development, teaching him various bowling techniques and helping him improve his game. Mustafizur's performances playing for his local club caught the attention of the national selectors, and he was soon called up to play for the Khulna division in the National Cricket League. His success in the league led to his selection for the Bangladesh U19 team in 2014, where he quickly established himself as a promising talent. In 2015, Mustafizur made his debut for the Bangladesh national team in a T20 match against Pakistan. In his very first over, he took 2 wickets, making an immediate impact. His performances in his debut series were exceptional, and he quickly established himself as one of the best bowlers in the Bangladesh team. Mustafizur's unique left-arm pace and swing bowling style made him a difficult bowler to face, and he soon became a regular member of the team. He has played in numerous international matches, including the World Cup and the Asia Cup, and has taken more than 100 international wickets for Bangladesh. Mustafizur has proved to be a match winner for Bangladesh on many occasions, with his ability to take wickets at crucial moments in the game. He has received numerous accolades for his performances, including being named the Emerging Player of the Year at the 2016 ICC Awards. Off the field, Mustafizur is known for his humility and down-to-earth personality. Despite his success, he remains grounded and always strives to improve his game. Playing for his country is the greatest honor for him, and he always tries to give his best for the team. In addition to his success on the cricket field, Mustafizur is also an inspiration to young people in Bangladesh and around the world. He has shown that with hard work, determination, and a passion for what you do, anything is possible. Overall, Mustafizur Rahman is a talented cricketer, a humble person, and an inspiration to millions of people around the world. His journey to becoming a professional cricketer is a story of perseverance and dedication, and his success on the field is a testament to his talent and hard work.